Alright, people. This is to all my foreign friends in foreign that you know here to you have to send barrel come. Because it's soon Christmas, now it's August. So you have to make sure you start pack the barrel from May. Right? Because the barrel you have to send off by latest second week of November. You hear me I say? Because so that it can reach back in time early, so that people don't have to go down a wharf and wait long down a wharf and things because of hustle and bustle. You know what I mean? So make sure if you send the barrel, send it from first week of October, latest second week of November. Don't talk. Okay. Let me tell you a barrel thing now. One, make sure you have the biggest barrel, tallest barrel. You know what I mean? Because it don't make sense short barrel or box come because same money you pay is a flat rate. So make sure you send a big barrel, man. Don't send a cardboard barrel either. You know what I mean? Want to send a plastic barrel so when man don't use the barrel, man can catch water in it for jot. See? Yeah. I tell you have to go in a barrel now. One, make sure say you have a whole heap of condensed milk and evaporated milk. We don't buy evaporated milk out here. You know what I mean? We are waiting for evaporated milk from foreign and that serve with back till all August and July. You know what I mean? Make sure say when you send that powder cocoa something there for tea, we sweeten already. All you need is water because you don't know say man dey on the go. So you just warm up some water in a microwave and dash that in it and mix up and we have with tea. Alright? Make sure so when you send couple sachets well, you know. You know what I mean? Couple sachets have to send. Right at you know, tin sachets them cheap in foreign. 15 cents and 10 cents for them in a foreign. Especially when you have coupon and sale are go on. Just buy them up in a sale. See? Next one in a barrel of oil. Buy the big buckle of oil them. The big buckle. No matter how the local big jilla oil thing, boy, you send big jilla oil coming in a barrel from foreign. Make sure so you send the big buckle of oil, the Wesson oil. Make sure so you send that one there, that one. See it? Alright. And don't send no one buckle either, you know. Send 3, 4 buckle. You know what I mean? So we can't have to serve for a year. Because I'll dear out here. See it? Next thing I need for send. And this must send. Cornflakes. Cheerios. Frosted flakes. And more you take you out of a box too. You know what I mean? I think a box will take up too much space. So take you out of a box and everything and make sure say pack up neat in a barrel. Make sure so you send some. And here what? Don't bother come boy you send no 2 pound of flour come give man. See? Buy the big bag of rice with the angle. You know what I mean? 20 pound. Buy 4, 5, 20 pound. You know what I mean? And just deal with it. And send it come in a barrel. What do you see in a barrel again? Please, do not send no don't send no Campbell's soup. We not drink Campbell's soap or alphabet soap. We not drink them thing there. Right? And about the pack up a thing, we don't hold it for ramen noodle because that sell out here. You know what I mean? Send things we don't really sell out here too tough. See? So the man send macaroni and cheese. Send as much as mark up all of them send come. You know what I mean? Send them things that come in the bar. You know what I mean? Hold it for food. And them thing there. Make sure say they send one little turkey come in a little sitting. And thing I send come in man. Alright? See? If you can find anything to push down at the bottom of my barrel, you know what I mean, like a phone and some sneakers, push them down at the bottom of my barrel so that customs are still there. Anything are just food stuff. And please, do not, after you pack your barrel and send it in a my name, and me I go clear it, tell me say things in a barrel for somebody. Because the person never go give me our money. See? Because be of them things don't go on with. When you pack up a barrel and thing with a bag of things to people and want somebody clear it. You know what I mean? And then when you're done check up now, a quarter barrel you get. And people don't just come pick up things and left and not pay no money. But anyway still, do what I do. We love you in a foreign. Don't do nothing for them, send on no back. Stay there, do the 5, 10 work. right? Do it in a coal and just hold it out for it. You know what I mean? You are our hero. And send out money when you're ready. As a matter of fact, when you send the barrel, send money for clearing. See?